Danse, my name is Jason Belcourt, enrolled member of the Chippewa Cree tribe from here in Rocky Boy, Montana. It's with great pleasure and honor that we bring you stories from throughout this land known as Turtle Island. With over 500 tribal nations here in the United States and several hundred First Nation tribes in Canada, we have a great history. Sit back and enjoy. Watch our relatives, Res Bucks, Bulls, and Predators, Res Monsters, Paestawa hunting family. Kick back and enjoy watching Indian boys and girls getting it done native style. Welcome to God's country. We are hunting the res.
I thought the treaty was stronger than the state of Idaho, and I believe it today. It is.
You speak your name when you go out to hunt, just like in the sweat too. When you're going through the sweat before you go hunting, this cleanses you.
For the native, hunting is who we are. It's what we do. It's in our blood. It's who we are as people. As Apsalaga, Mimiku, Nehio, Lakota, and Dene. This is our way of life.
There's the Bad Patch Trail, and there's areas where they're 35 foot wide, 10 to 8 foot tall, because the migration has always occurred. People to still hunt where we've always hunted. It's our right.
This is who we are. We're still around. We've always been. The old ways did not die out. They are here, alive to this day. You'll experience things you can't do elsewhere in the world. This is the greatest hunting period. Forget what you heard. This isn't your average hunting show. You're with the original hunters. You're hunting the res.